Alright, hey guys, it's TractorMan15, and this video is for everyone helping me at mytractorforum.com. There's been a lot of controversy over what I wanted to do with my lawn tractor. I wanted to switch up the engine pulleys to make it go faster. And one of the comments was if I had a splined input shaft or if it was just smooth. Well, what I did was I removed the battery, as you can see there, and I just took out the transmission pulley and wanted to film the shaft. You can see that. Just blindly guiding the camera around the shaft. Okay. And over here is my transmission pulley. There you go. I don't think it is smooth. I think it's the splined input shaft because it does have that keyway for when you put it down on the shaft. Basically, all I did to take it off is I removed this bracket that was held by these two cotter pins, so I could take it out easier. And this was the only thing holding on the transmission pulley was this snap ring. So once I took that out, I just kind of wiggled it out there. Anyways, so basically I'm making this video so hopefully you guys can have a better understanding. Let me film from another angle here. Don't have it on jacks. There you guys go. See that better? Sick. Just a better image of it. Then one more through the battery. There you guys go. Okay. So I'll be posting this on YouTube. See ya.